Mr. Dolan has worked in the manufacturing field since 2011. While working in manufacturing, Mr. Dolan has worked for a wide variety of industries. One of the customers he has done work for made record player tone arms, and another customer he has done work for made snowbanking systems for ski mountains like Killington and Sunapee. There's also a local car customization shop that he did work for, making various things like subwoofer foot covers for Rajon Rondo and other custom brackets for many customers. Mr. Dolan is very proud to be a graduate of Minuteman. He has been teaching at Minuteman for 2 years now. While working in the field, Mr. Dolan always wondered why there weren't any young people involved in manufacturing. When Minuteman put out the advertisement for the job, Mr. Dolan knew this was his opportunity to change that.
So in advanced manufacturing, we do a lot of things. We cover like a broad range of everything. Most of what we do is cutting metal in our Haas milling equipment and our Haas lathes that we are surrounded by right now. Some of the careers that we can get out of this program, some of the technical things we can do are a supervisor of operations, so kind of oversee this whole thing. And from freshman year all the way to senior year, we do a lot of overseeing of our classmates running equipment. Some of the ones I want to talk about are CAD and a CAD drafter. So that's someone who designs 3D models. So we do mechanical 3D model design in here. And the next one is a CAM programmer. So the CAM programmer programs the equipment around me using the CAD drafter's model. So those are two things that we do all 4 years in here. So everything starts out as a CAD design, then it goes into a CAM program. We use MasterCam. We create code that we can run in this equipment behind me and in front of me. Some of the more interesting ones are an additive manufacturing technician. So that's things like 3D printing. There's metal 3D printing now, all sorts of stuff like that. Mold maker and mold maker repair technician are two things that we're working on right now. We actually have an injection molding machine in the back of the shop that we can injection mold things like army men. Some of the more professional things, things like medical device and design manufacturing. So designing prosthetics, teeth implants. There's a market really for everything. Supply chain manufacturer or a strategist. That's somebody who makes sure that material is at the shop on time. We want material waiting for people, not people waiting for material. So that's something we kind of focus heavily on here, is making sure that the kids understand where stuff needs to be and when it needs to be there.